Big up Crosses TV.
I say Crosses TV, you crazy, you bumper clap, man. One blood clot crazy on Crosses TV. Catch it at I go Crosses TV.
Hi. Look at this face. All the things that's gonna be done. Bitches gotta get ready. Cause I'll be rocking and kicking asses. That's us, big up on yourself. All day, every time. Families, I love you all so much. I'll see you all when I wake up.
Female qualities.
Don't brush up your tongue. Blood clot, girl.
In your mouth. All you have is hot yam in your blood clot. Oh my God, that's like 20 years ago. That's like so 20 years ago. That's so 20 years ago. Me now, bitch. This is me now.
Aeroplane crankers.
This is
aeroplane crankers, not blood clot. Your favorite aeroplane crankers. Where? Go and get a life. You look like aeroplane crankers, no blood clot. You look like the plane with them crashing at Twin Tower. Boom it down, 9/11 accident. Move out the blood clot. We America afraid of you. You're 9/11 bombing. When America hear about 9/11 bombing to blood clot, them cry. American afraid of you. 9/11 bombing. Your favorite aeroplane crankers, no blood clot. Them tell you flyer you go crashing at the building. You mash up. You mash up like blood clot crackers. You don't look good. You don't look blood clot good. Which part of you look good? Thank God for surgery, and surgery still not know how to work. The doctor bad trying a blood clot. The doctor cut out a hole in her hip right here, so. Tell me your sister come on camera, come show her hip. Right here, so you see the hole where the doctor make and patch her blood clot lip. Where? The doctor try to get lip and get liver in it. Move your blood clot. You're the only girl in America. Go buy lip and get liver. Go and move your blood clot. Why you never pay the right blood clot money? You want to come argue with me? Go argue with blood clot shatter. And I me mash you up and I me set you back. Go argue with blood clot shatter Andrew. And them mash you up in a life. And them set you back. Shatter come a foreign and say, eat your dirty blood clot. I mean, I never come amongst you. All you beg him, Shatter, come look for me now, Shatter. Shatter, come and see me now, Shatter. Shatter say him despise you. He may not prefer sleep out a door in the cold than for blood clot sleep with you. Macy, when you go in when you come out of the house, the bed happy and dancing in the room. When you go in there, it's stop dance. When you lie down in there, it's skin up its face over and no bed here to no blood clot. My bed smile with me at night. My bed smile with me at night and sing me sweet song to go to bed and say, little boy, why you so pretty, man? I could want to go to a better owner. Move your ugly looking blood clot. You're ugly like sin. Move your blood clot. Nobody don't want you. You're ugly like sin. Your mama hate you because you did try to take your father in our blood clot house. All family ram. Your mother hate you because you did try to take your father in our blood clot house. No man say me and nobody boy now living here. Your mama put you out from you 14. And from you 14 your mother put you out. And she start blood clot, the latches cabin and make money. You buy your family them love. My mother love me naturally. Me never buy my family them love yet a blood clot. Me never buy my family them love a blood clot. Me get it natural. Move your ugly blood clot.
Bad man and I get corrupt. Come on, you know, who could a bad man become? On hear me over here say daughters and on a grudge that on a bad man for that. Just because on hear me over here say blood clot daughters. Make it make blood clot sense. The whole on the one some beat with some blood clot ambition broom. On the one sweep for the blood clots. Yeah. I know you're ignorant of blood clot. I'm sure the people that me. Yeah. The people them say me, when now ask, when the people them say me pop up, The picture where you show, I never said no man. I sent some girl like I said no, but the one with it have a bad makeup days back in the days. Mama me a big man, mama me a big blood clot, great tone, long seed man. Me a 40 blood clot tree. Fix him to be 44 and you bitches are pressured. I just the truth. Fiona A, thank you for becoming a member of the Team Confidence. Me is 43. Me at 23rd, I'm gonna be 44. Then one I'm gonna do when I'm gonna come back on my blood clot. Beauty enhancements. Then I hit man I go send for my blood clot. If me I kill you son now, what are you going to do? Jealousy is always ugly. Yeah. On can't buttercup big up yourself. On can't stand to me no blood clot there. Cause you don't want to conquer me and devour me and I'm not successful. Cause we have God right here in the mix. And him now I couldn't win. Cause I'm not so now yabba yabba and dabba dabba. Yeah. You over there bad to yourself and there I saw glowing on my screen. My there looking so fucking fine. I know what Papa got hit me up on my inbox after I come off. How much diamonds I get? 839. Somebody run it off to 1,000 please. Big one. We don't.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
There is any second guessing about Trump's campaign strategy to avoid all the.
Alright, daughters, I'm gonna calm down because remember, mother is gonna go in for extra beauty. Terrell said, I'm gonna get extra beauty, daughters, and you all shall see me. And afterwards, I think Big One is gonna have a panic attack. You asked me, come to me tell you the truth, say me associates. We were associates because we come here and we learn together and we cool with each other and everything and whatever. But Kenneth is my sister. A sister is different from an associate. Kenneth is my friend. A friend is different from an associate. And then I heard it with my own ears. My sister did not say nothing to you at all. She was speaking. You knew you and her weren't friends. You knew you all are in front of each other, but you still decided to say something into her argument. So in a blood clot, this is like I get fun of your entire for blood clot, get it because she never did chat to you.
He seems very angry.
Yeah, you're fine. Gassa.
She's been on social media ranting. He's called her delusional. He's saying that she got in third place.
Because Big One go on, can nobody make him last him back to Old Pan White Plains Road.
Hampshire, and she didn't. Clearly he is worked up about this. Now I have been told by allies that he is annoyed.
Right. I don't know if half a blood clot, Big Man lick. A Big Man for half a little girl like Uno lick. Yeah, because you don't have no status in the LGBTQIA community of blood clot. Nobody know about it, nobody know no. Everybody know about my blood clot sister. And everybody know about my family member them because we're nice over here. We from the higher fucking tier. On our lower class blood clot pickings. It means so that we up there and then the way down so. We step on you bitches to get to the blood clot front door. Yeah, and I for blood clots, throw to the bottom of the walk and I'm moving on blood clot. And I got a blood clot back, Them on hours I worry about girl looks. What judgment post? On hours I worry about girl looks. And me know the mirror never blood clot tell me a lie, mirror not tell me a lie. The mirror not tell me no blood clot lie, the phone screen not tell me no blood clot lie. Big One, remember you don't have nothing about you because you come on the line when you hold on your blood clot head. No girl can hold on my blood clot head. My head will hold up straight and fabulous in the blood clot and stay right on the soul. I'm not gonna add shrimp on a blood clot because I don't know how to angle me. And I forgot me, I for telling you how to angle blood clot me. My top that's for blood clot on because I'm a low class Batman. On a dirty Batman stink up New York. Everybody in New York ignorant you know. All the gays them what did I live in New York in peace and see you know come offended by a nasty big jumbo rat blood clot. Go away. And I can't talk to no girls, yes sir. Because we've been living before no even exist. Before no come about, we already been eating at blood clot exquisite tables. Table will be a blood clot presidents and blood clot queens and princesses and princes. I never recall seeing that to be a blood clot ancestors them at the table one at a time. So you say that alone to me say you're nobody. That alone to me say nobody. You have a problem, come here ride with my blood class sister. I'm here ride with her. I'm here go take licks for her. I get kick up here and beat it here because you're too enough. You're too blood clot enough because you know you're not a friend. You should have said in an argument. You can't put up no blood clot old picture with me and me feel no way. And in the old pictures them, I'm still blood clot glorious. And that's a confidence. Do something about it. I come early in the morning, I'm going to say one Kenneth across the board. I never second guess it a blood clot. I'm going to repeat it. When I see Skyrim and Johnny live, so we just run back with it. I say one Kenneth across the board. But guys, I've been to a big one from a long time. Before me even depend on TikTok, I tell the big one, say look here, when it come to Kenneth, I don't play. I'm not going to side with no blood clot, batty boy, over my blood clot sister. Kenneth is a sister. And regardless of what me and the blood clot have, we are sisters. That's what I hope our families, I hope our mother and daughter and father and sons and mother and son and they get along and never did agree and them have excellent relationship now, dependable relationships right now. So at the end of the day, but they don't tell you already. I see when me and Dr. Blanded in a car and she tried to chat Kenneth, I'm going to come out and take an Uber. I saw me stay. That's how I am. When I'm going to sit down in a blood clot, no, with nobody I'm chatting on my blood clot family members them. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm going to sit down and go back and say, when you talk about you hear some of the blood clot, I'm going to talk out of my mouth. Are you enough? So don't paint a picture like me just turn upon you. Don't paint a picture that me just blood clot turn upon you because I been there tell you already say I can't say straight before she even said something at the salon. I've been this said it already. And not my fault, I'm not a hypocrite like you know. It's not my fault, I'm straight up tell you what much people on the live if you can recall. When the so-called blood clot girl asked to say if we are friends, I said no, we are associates. You can't be offended by that when I'm telling you the truth. What do you classify as a friend? I would never call you and tell you my secrets. I would never call you and ask you for no financial favors.
There's a few Paleys in there, but most of these. So,
I never played hypocrisy in the first place.
Most of these are going to
I was never ever unreal to you. Before we come on TikTok, you already knew that me and Kenneth besties, but you didn't care. You know Olivia and Kenneth are mother and daughter. You know Phoebe and Kenneth are mother and daughter. You know me and Kenneth are besties, right? And you still chose to say something in my friend's argument. Kenneth never did that talk to you. Kenneth never said nothing to you. And you open your mouth and then you're going to say, your excuses, you're the salon, you're the proprietor, are friends. How did you and her become friends? You can't go yard when a man did there? I'm pretty sure you can't. If the man knows he's a batty man, I'm pretty sure you can't. So how you classify her as your friend? Make it make sense. And then you want to promise my blood clot sister with about long time lick with a bright blood clot self. How dare you? How dare blood clot you? Any girl put my page, me I show my daughters them on a rampage of blood clot. So I could get it and talk about it all the time and do anything on the one blood clot though. And anybody want to see me and lick up my blood clot, come here rather and stand with her like the rock of blood clot Gibraltar. She had the blood clot cement and me I become the blood clot steel willingly. So don't talk and make it look like say you never do nothing and Kenneth just want in an argument with you. No, big one. Are you blood clot promise my sister lick? So you do your best and do what is best. And remember you say you don't know what it feels like to lose. So like you're always winner. Are two winners then or multiple winners then. So I could say we never promise you no lick. My sister never tell you to say she gonna lick you. Are you the way you act for Kenneth, you define make she tell me the same thing like Emily, because she tell Emily for pull up, I'm gonna come and my sister can't tell anybody for pull up. And that must say my sister can't tell anybody for pull up. You can't put up no old on the sound of dumb, on the sound dumb. You need to go learn to read and write properly because you don't have no sense. You can't put up a past picture of me. You can't put up a past picture like me. That dark shit that we are talking about, Macy pull up, I don't even know you. That slime ball, that girl will have a grater upon her as her two job. That girl will have a threading grater, and a grater will make the coconut smooth on both sides of her jaw. I don't know you, slime ball. But don't know you. I don't even know you. I don't recognize you, period. And you're not coming on my blood clot live. Live.
See, me no need for can read, cause you can't read and you're reading instead of for a blood clot or a government prison.
How dare you put up an
old picture? You can't read and you're reading and your medication tell you for rob all people and make government prison. And that you with your blood clot.
And I already paid for that. I'm still better off than you.
All the years of your life, you go to school to get your education. And your education, she can't tell you for rob blood clot all people. $5,000 and you don't have it. I know that you're facts and more than you. Blood clot and my education could tell me for all people. My education would have tell me for put on my pleated skirt and my pint in boot and going on one blood clot office go sit down.
You are a servant. You are a motherfucking slave. You are a nothing.
Good morning, Mrs. Rose. Good morning, Mrs. Jane. Good blood clot morning.
I am talking about my wrist, but talk about the back to all how much
better eat you. You better eat your blood clot. You better cry at night time when you lie down in your bed. You better cry at night time your blood clot when you lie down in your bed. Explain to who? Explain to who? I am never the one to explain to nobody. Come and eat out my bottom. I am never the one to come and explain to no girl, no boy, no day, no way. Come and eat out my bottom. Come and eat out my bottom.
Don't blame me because you're not feminine. Do not blame me and don't come
feminine to me neither.
Because your self-esteem and your foot bottom.
Your favor rugs right now, blood.
No, that's a lie. I will not believe that. That's a lie.
You know why me ignorant fear?
That is a lie. That is a motherfucking lie. That's jealousy speaking right there. That's jealousy speaking right there. That is a lie. Come up.
Me not like talk when people not listen or listen. Let me tell you why me ignorant fear. You know if you put big and you take the one pair of blood clot and you put it in your mouth. You should have given for walk. You should have given for put powder foot for walk out of the mouth. You should have given for walk. You should have put the ash in your mouth. That's why me no blood clot like you. You take the one pair of ash and put it in your mouth. You should have given it for put on my foot for walk so sun no burn when my foot touch go. You too blood clot wicked. You're too wicked. You should have put the ash in your mouth.
I'm wicked. I'm going to tell you the truth. When I ask you if you are friends, when you ask, didn't I tell you before? Didn't I tell you before, sir?
They can't lie down because you have in the whole of them teeth. Them a ball for them teeth. They ask them over camera and chuck a ball for them teeth. They ask them over camera and chuck a ball for them teeth.
It don't matter what they're balling for. Look here.
Bring back my teeth.
Having blood clot fasting coming at 43. You're 26 and the whole of your forehead of blood clot. Lock up on you.
People that put some teeth in the comment section. Flinging the teeth them on our blood clot. Move your ass teeth, jackass can look in blood clot. Go jackass. Jackass, where? Fully start back off a flying bird. Move your ugly blood clot. Where? You're ugly. Hope the doctor fix it and take out the teeth.
Come back, Shrek. Shrek, come back.